Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best catheters for men is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked personal care items for many individuals, offering a discreet and effective solution for managing urinary incontinence with confidence and comfort. When choosing the right product, it's crucial to prioritize features that ensure ease of use, reliability, and skin health, transforming a potentially challenging aspect of daily life into a manageable and dignified experience. This review will guide you through the top options, highlighting what makes them stand out and providing superior performance and user satisfaction. Number 5. Male Urinal with Glow-in-the-Dark Lid, 2 bottles. Introducing a portable urinal designed for men, offering instant relief whether you're at home or traveling. It's the perfect solution for campers, hospital stays, and emergency situations. Never struggle to find it in the dark again. This translucent bottle features a special lid that glows, making it easy to locate when you need it most. Crafted from durable plastic, these bottles can hold up to 32 ounces of liquid. The removable lid effectively helps to prevent unpleasant odors, ensuring a discreet experience. Designed with an easy-to-grip handle, it provides maximum stability during use and emptying. This feature helps to prevent spills and makes handling more secure. Whether for hospital stays, travel, or emergencies, this urinal offers a practical and reliable solution. Its portability and thoughtful design make it an essential item. Don't miss out on this essential item for convenience and peace of mind. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This urinal bottle is designed for convenience and discretion. Its glow-in-the-dark lid makes it easy to find in the dark, and its portable design is perfect for travel or emergency situations. If you need a reliable solution for nighttime use or are frequently on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The catheter is easy to use and provides a comfortable experience. The lubrication on the catheter is effective and reduces friction during insertion. The design of the catheter allows for secure placement and minimizes the risk of leakage. Number 4. Smokitcen 2L Enema Bag Kit. Experience superior comfort with our Enema Kit, crafted from imported premium rubber and medical-grade silicone. It's designed for your ultimate well-being. Our kit features a soft, reusable nozzle with flexible, non-toxic tips. It's easy to use and can be conveniently hung anywhere for your comfort. Easily manage the flow with our unique valve system. This allows for a safe, comfortable, and pleasant experience tailored to your needs. This comprehensive package includes a 2L bag, a 5 feet soft silicone hose, and 3 different reusable tips. Choose the perfect tip for your preference. Perfect for various home colonic hydrotherapy needs, including detox cleanses and coffee enemas. Enjoy convenient and comfortable cleansing in the privacy of your home. What we like. This Enema Kit offers a superior and comfortable experience with its controlled water flow mechanism. The premium silicone hose and multiple reusable tips ensure safety and hygiene. If you are looking for a complete and customizable solution for home colon cleansing or detox, this kit provides excellent control and comfort. What people say. This one was watertight, well made, the stopcock works perfectly, not a drop leaked from the bag. Bag is solid, so you have to squeeze the bag to estimate how much is still in there, but that's not really an issue. It's a bag that will last. The bag is a heavy gauge rubber and appears well made, so it should last a long time, and it easily held 1,250 milliliters of liquid. Comes with all the attachments and tubing to get it all connected together, plus a good variety of tips. There is a swivel type shutoff valve attached to the hose, but it also comes with a clamp type shutoff you can put anywhere you want on the tubbing, which can make it easier to have it within easy reach. Number 3. McKesson Lubricating Jelly 3G Packets. This lubricating jelly is perfect for a variety of surfaces, including medical tools and home devices. It offers great versatility and performance for many applications. Cleanup is a breeze with its water-soluble and non-staining formula. It easily washes off skin, hair, and surfaces, making your experience hassle-free. Experience smooth and consistent application every time. Its enhanced viscosity ensures optimal comfort and effectiveness when used with medical instruments. Enjoy maximum comfort with this non-greasy, fragrance-free gel. It provides a clear lubricant without any residue or odor for a better user experience. These 3-gram packets are perfect for on-the-go use or when you only need a small amount. They easily fit into your bag for travel or convenience. Each packet is sterile and individually sealed for your safety. It's designed for medical, surgical, and personal use, ensuring a hygienic experience. What we like. This lubricating jelly is designed for versatility and ease of use in various medical and personal scenarios. The sterile individual packets are perfect for on-the-go use or when only a small amount is needed. If you value convenience, hygiene, and a mess-free experience for personal lubrication or medical applications, these packets are ideal. What people say. Quick delivery and convenient small packages so that you always have sterile lubricant. Easy to use, works as advertised. Great lube, no smell, single application doses makes it easy to carry. Number 2. Medcosa Sterile Lube. Introducing Medcosa Sterile Lube, a premium medical-grade lubricant. It's water-based and designed for a variety of medical applications, ensuring a smooth and safe experience. Our sterile, water-based formula is ideal for use with instruments like catheters. Its clean properties make it a reliable choice for sensitive medical procedures. This lubricant is perfect for use on skin and various synthetic surfaces. It effectively reduces friction, allowing for smoother insertion and application. Self-catheter users appreciate its consistent, non-clumping texture. It provides excellent coverage, lining the catheter effectively for ease of use. Beyond catheters, it's suitable for a wide range of procedures including colonoscopies, gynecological exams, and body piercings. It's also safe for thermometer insertion. Experience a premium formulation that is skin-safe, clear, and smooth. It offers consistent application without any scent, ensuring comfort. What we like. This medical lubricant is specifically formulated for sensitive applications like catheter use, ensuring a smooth and comfortable insertion. Its sterile, water-based, and non-clumping properties make it a top choice for self-catheterization users. If you require a reliable, medical-grade lubricant that provides consistent performance for catheters or other medical instruments, this product is highly recommended. What people say. The catheter has a good lubricant coating that makes insertion smooth and comfortable. The design of the catheter allows for easy handling and secure placement. The material is soft and flexible, reducing the risk of irritation or discomfort during use. Number 1. Nuanchu 30 PVC Replacement Tubing Kit. Introducing the Nuanchu 30 PVC Replacement Tubing Kit. This kit provides a safe and clean solution for your enema needs. Each package contains a generous quantity of individually wrapped PVC replacement tubes. You'll have enough for regular use and replacements. These enema supplies are designed with a comfortable mid-size length of approximately 5.9 inches and a 14 fr thickness. They are made to meet your enema requirements effectively. Crafted from safe, tasteless, and soft material, these tubes ensure a comfortable experience. You can use them with complete confidence. Featuring a smooth, rounded closed end with a side opening, these tubes are designed to prevent irritation. They are neither too hard for insertion nor too soft to impede flow, making them an excellent choice. This enema tubing is designed for broad compatibility. It works with most enema kits available on the market, fitting most connectors seamlessly. What we like. These replacement tubing supplies are designed for comfort and safety during enema procedures. The smooth, round end prevents discomfort, and the flexible PVC material ensures a good flow. If you need reliable and hygienic replacement tubing for your enema kit, especially if you prioritize a gentle insertion and a clean, safe experience, these individually packaged tubes are a great option. What people say. These work well. Came on time and packaged as described. Clean and quality product. They work ! You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.